Namaste Gurkulians. Hope all of you are okay at your home during this pandemic COVID-19 and applying all the precautionary measures for the safety of your family and yourself or society also. It is our duty. So today we are going to do the first chapter of plus 2 class planning in sport, or it is third part of this chapter. In first part we complete what is planning or how many committees are required for the planning. We make the committees to execute the program properly. Or in second part we did aim and objectives of planning. Why we are doing planning? What is the aim behind the planning? What is the objective behind the planning? To complete the program in streamlined way. Or after that, in second part we complete tournament also. What is tournament? Tournament is a systematic process to conduct the competition in between the teams or individuals, and types of tournament also. Three types of tournament we did. Like first is knockout, second league, third one is combination. If we talk about knockout tournament, if any team lose first match, then it is eliminated from the tournament. For encourage them, there is a two type of consolation tournament, type 1 or type 2. Second one is league tournament. League tournament have two types: single league, double league. Third one is a combination tournament. Combination tournament is the combination of league and knockout. It have a 4 type: knockout come knockout, league come league, league come knockout, knockout come league. It have a 4 type. So today at first we will do knockout tournament. Knockout tournament. So in knockout tournament, what happened? At first, there should be an even number of total number of team. Suppose there is a 8 team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to conduct the knockout tournament of 8 teams. Now we write down the name of the team, like Karnal, Kshetra, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, like this. If we have 8 teams, or we will conduct the tournament on behalf of knockout basis. Like first match is here 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now it is the first round. We can say first round. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Here what happened? 2 lose the match, 1 win the match. Here 3 lose the match, 4 won the match. Here 5 won the match, 6 lose the match. Here 8 won the match, 7 lose the match. So here it is eliminated, it means it is out from the competition. Here is the third: 3 lose the match, 3 is eliminated from the tournament. 6 number lose the match, eliminated from the tournament. Here 7 number team lose the match, it is also eliminated from the tournament. Now it is the second round. 1 and 4. There is a match of 1 and 4. We can say it is the semi-final. Semi-final match. Semi-final match between 1 and 4, 5 and 8. So here 4 won the match. Here 5 won the match. 8 is eliminated. 1 is eliminated. Now there is a final or third and final round in between 4 and 5. So here 5 is winner, 4 loser. Okay. So it is the knockout tournament. This tournament we draw the fixture on the board. It is on the behalf of knockout 1. 1 and 2 lose the match. 1 go in second round. 3 and 4 they lose the match. 4 go in second round. 5 and 6 lose the match. 5 go in second round. 7 and 8 7 lose the match. 8 go in second round. Now 1 and 4, 5 and 8 match is there. 1 lose the match. 4 go in second round. Another round. 5 and 8 lose the match. 5 go in another round. So it is the final between 4 and 5. So here 4 tournament. But one more thing, if we don't have even number, like in the power of 2, if we don't have the number of team in power of 2, so we can take dummy team or we can give buys also. In further part we will do this type of tournament, knockout or seeding, how to give buy or how to seed the team in further part. Here one thing is there, advantage or disadvantage. If we control advantage, what is the advantage of knockout tournament? Number one thing, if we want to conduct a tournament on behalf of knockout basis, so it requires less facility. Less facilities doesn't mean that we will not provide ball or we will give, if there is a tournament of basketball, we will provide handball. It doesn't mean like this. It means knockout tournament, we can conduct this type of tournament on like one court also. Like we have 3-4 court of any round, football, volleyball, basketball, handball, skating, yoga, badminton. If we have 18, 14, so easily we can conduct this tournament on one ground. Less facilities required. Second one, less expenditure. Third one, less expenditure means if less facilities are required, so we expenditure is less because less equipment, less facilities are there, less officiator are there. So less facilities, so less expenditure. It is related with the facilities only. Less facilities there, less officials are there. One court is working, so 1 or 2 balls or using equipment is there. Linemen are there, between 3 or 4 linemen are enough for this. Less expenditure. Or one more thing, less time. The main thing of the knockout tournament, because which team will lose his first match, it is out of the tournament. Or we can conduct this type of tournament, 8 or 16 team tournament, we can conduct in 1 or 2 days. So less time. We can say it is disadvantage also, but here we can take it as an advantage. Weak team can win. This is usually, if I check out from the spectator side, from the organization committee, it is the disadvantage because the purpose is not fulfilled. If weak team won the tournament or a good team eliminated from the tournament, but it is the advantage for the weak team. Easily a weak team can go in final, they can grab a second position, second or third position. Okay, so less facilities, less expenditure, less time, weak team can win, or any other we can say about knockout tournament. Easily we can conduct. Okay, so these are the advantages of knockout tournament. If we talk about disadvantage, first one is no entertainment. No entertainment means team lose the match, it is eliminated. Or one thing I told, weak team can win down. No entertainment is there of player also, or that no entertainment is there of spectator also. Second one thing, same good team eliminate easily. Easily here I am telling, because if a good team going in a tournament, they need 1 or 2 matches for the coordination in between the team members, because to playing in practice session or to playing in a competition is a different part, totally different part. If I am playing in a competition, that practice session, there is no pressure, of spectator, there is no matter if I will win or I am losing the match. But in competition, if I am playing in a competition, it is totally like a Mahabharata. Inside the world, even the spectator easily and put out all mistakes, like what you are doing, easy things, easily they can see, they can criticize us. But in competition, a good team requires time to settle down. After that, they will win definitely, because if once they settle down, their coordination become as much good as it was good in practice session. So good team eliminated easily. 2 or 3 disadvantages are there of knockout tournament. So third one we can say disadvantage of knockout. One thing is there that good team, not get second chance. Okay. Next one we will do league tournament. League tournament. Or one more thing here, like fifth number team is first. So how we can put out the second number, like who got the second position. Here final was there in between of them, fifth or fourth. So one more match we will conduct in between of the teams which lose in semi-final, like 1 or 8. They will play match which will win. They will play with the lose one, which will lose in that final, or they will get the third position. Like second or third, automatically first is this, second is this. So here, which team lose the match, they will play match with each other, or we can declare the third one who got third position. Second one, league tournament. If we see, many type of leagues are going on in the world. Euro Cup League, IPL, Indian Premier League, Football League, Hockey League, Badminton League, Basketball League, Pro Kabaddi League. League tournament conduct on the behalf of, like, each team play match with another one. Suppose if we have 8 teams, so one team play with the 7 others. 7 others. Okay. So each team play match with each one. Every team will play match. So league tournament. If I am give you an example, suppose we have a 4 team league. There is a match of 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, 2 with 3, 2 with 4. Here is 3 with 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all teams play the match with another. 4 teams are there, all are played the match with everyone. So it is the type of league tournament. League tournament. On behalf of this league tournament, we declare the winner. So in league tournament, 2 types is there. Single league. Single league tournament. In single league, only one time a team play the match with other one. Like 8 teams are there, one team have to play 7 matches, only one time. Specification or characteristic is there of league tournament. Which team won all the matches? Like 8 teams are there, one team won the 7 matches. It means it declared fast. One team won the 6 matches and one match they lose. It means they declare second. Or another team won the 5 matches or 2 matches they lose. It means they declare third. So single league, there is a formula for the single league. It is n minus 1 divided by 2. It is the formula. Here n is stand for the number of team, or we can say number of players. If it is an individual like badminton or lawn tennis type. Okay, suppose we having we can say 8 teams are there, and n is stand for the number of teams, n stand for the number of teams. So on the place of n we will keep 8. So it is the formula 8 minus 1 divided by 2. According to that formula, here 8 minus 1 7. If we break the bracket, that it will multiply with the 7. 8 multiply 7 divided by 2. Okay. Now 56. Usually I am weak in math, but you check 56. 2. We will divide it 2 1 2. So 28 matches. Matches are 28. In single leg tournament, if we conduct a tournament of 8 teams, then there will be 28 matches. 28 matches. Like how we can count the number of matches in the league tournament? So it is the formula. It is the formula. For number of matches in league tournament for single league. Okay, and n minus 1 divided by 2. Suppose 8 teams are there, 8 bracket 8 minus 1 bracket close divided by 2. Now we will break the bracket 8 minus 1 7, then 8 multiply with 7 divided by 2 56, then 28 matches will be there. Now we will talk about double league. How many matches will be there in double league? Many tournaments are there which are conducted on behalf of this single league tournament. Now there is a double league. Double league tournament. For that, number of matches. Okay. So formula last one, n minus 1 divided by nothing. Here we will remove 2 because it is a double league. In double league what happens? Like in single league, one team play match with the all teams. Here one team play twice match with the other one, 2 times with that. Or one more thing, IPL, our IPL tournament conduct on behalf of this league, double league tournament. So here you know n stand for the number of team or number of player, or same formula as well. And here is 8 minus 1, no divide, 2 is not there. So 8 7, so 56 matches are there in double for teams. One thing I told you about settle down. A good team need time for the settle down in the tournament. So league tournament gave them that chance to settle down in the competition. If they lose one match, then another option is there. Second match is there to win. Second one thing, entertainment. Entertainment is there. Spectators, because league tournament conduct for a long time. A single player, like suppose I like to see the Virat Kohli in the stadium. So if league tournament is there, it means if they lose one first match, it means if they are not eliminated, next match will be there. So spectators get lots of chance to watch their favorite player in the game. So entertainment is there, full entertainment is there. Third one, sports person. Got chance to perform well. You know, a sports person cannot play every day in every match very well. You know, sometimes it is not the day of a particular man. We can say in the final of World Cup, I think 2011, Sachin Tendulkar. Rest of the matches he played very well, but in final on that time he couldn't. But rest of the matches in the initial stage, MS Dhoni not played well, but in the final he played well. So it is the thing here. I want to tell you, sportsmen get chances to perform well. If one first match they cannot play and they not played well, so second match is there for them to perform, to show their self in the game. Okay. Fourth one we can say, first one is maximum chance for the team. Entertainment is there of spectators. Sportsmen got chance to perform well. It is a long duration tournament. Long duration tournament. Okay, not like knockout tournament. First match they lose or they are eliminated or they will not play. So long duration tournament means many matches the team will play. So for a long time they will stay in the competition. Tournament or stay in competition. Now we will do disadvantage. Disadvantage of league tournament. Disadvantage. Here, first one we can say players feel tired because it is a long process, single league or double league. So continuously to play match again and again, they feel tired or even they got out of the performance. Second one thing, to conduct it require more time. Third one, more facilities. Suppose we have a 5-6 days to complete the tournament, or we have 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16 teams. So many matches are there, you know, on behalf of double league, 8 teams, 56 matches are there. So on a single court or single that type of facility we cannot conduct this type of tournament to ameliorate the situation of the efficient. We can say more officials automatically. If facilities are more, so more officials are there, more officials are required. So these type of disadvantages are there of league and single league or double league tournament. Player feel tired and conduct will require more time, more facility, more expenditure, more difficult, or not spectator also. Spectators feel bored because if anybody having a keen interest in games and sports, or anybody is a fan, big fan of any sports person, suppose a tournament conducted in Bangalore and near around the places, a person go there for from Delhi to check out the Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, even we can other Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Mahesh Bhupati, many are there. But if their tournament is there, he have to stay for a long period over there to check or to see the performance of the sports person. So spectators feel bored in the league tournament. So these are the disadvantages of league tournament. Now we will do combination tournament. Third type, combination. Combination. In combination tournament, you know, it is the combination of league and knockout. Combination of league and knockout. So for conducting this tournament, we have to give the chance to the teams play on behalf of league or knockout basis. Suppose if there is the first type of league tournament, that is combination tournament. So first type is there league come league. It doesn't mean which sequence I given before some time. Combination tournament, knockout come knockout, league come league, league come knockout, knockout come league. It is not compulsory. Anyone you can put on first or second or third or fourth line. Okay, here we will take league come league. League tournament, you know that one team plays the match with or other teams. It is the rule in the league tournament. Suppose we have 16 teams. Okay, 16 teams. If we divide it with 4, it is 4. But it is not 16 teams are there. So we divide these 16 teams in 4, 4, 4 in 4 pools. Suppose it is the pool A, pool B, here is pool C, here is pool D. 4 teams we divide, or we can give according to their name, from which side or from which department, from which state, which district, which zone they came, that name, particular name we can give. But here we will give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we will give the number. 4 teams we will keep in here. 40. We have to conduct the tournament. League basis 1, play with 2, 1, play with 3, 1, play with 4, 2, play with 3, 2, play with 4, here 3, play with 4. It is a staircase method also, but it is a type of league, staircase we can say. So same process we will do here. 1, here also 4 teams. 1 play with 3, 1 play with 4, 2 play with 3, 2 play with 4, 3 play with 4. Same here. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. Same here. 1 play with 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, So it is pool A, pool B, pool C, pool D. So here, which team win all the match? Which team will win all the match? It is the winner of that pool. Suppose that 1 win here, 4 win here, 2 win here, 3 win here. Again we have the 4 teams. 4 pools are there. The team which is winner in their pool, we will take that team for the another round, that is on behalf of league come league. Okay. First round, that is league. Here we are conducting this one league here. League come league. Okay. Winner we have to declare through league method. First 16 teams divided in 4 pools. We conduct the tournament on the basis of league method, on basis of league. Now league come league, 4 teams we got from each pool, which are the winner in their respective pools. Now another. Okay, 4 teams. Now we have to declare winner. Winner from these 4 teams. Again, on behalf of league, we divided in 4 pools, or we conduct the tournament on the basis of league. Now 4 teams are there. Again, we will conduct a tournament on the basis of league tournament. 1 play with 2, 1 play with 3, 1 play with 4, 2 play with 3, 2 play with 4, or 3 play with 4. So here it is the final one. Which team won all their respective 3 matches? Which won 3 matches? 3 matches means I am saying on the behalf of total number of teams. 4 teams are there. It will a single team, one team play 3 matches with other rest of the 3 teams. Which won 3 matches? It is winner. Okay, which won 2 matches means it is second. Which won 1 match, it is third. Or which will not win a single match, it means it is the fourth one of the, it is the last on the in the tournament. So it is the type of league come league. It is very simple, nothing is there. Only a special thing is there on behalf of knockout. In further part it will come. Buys will be there. How we have to divide, how we have to give buys, how we have to divide buys in upper half, lower half, how we have to divide total number of team in upper half, lower half, how we have to divide total number of team in 4 half. So some formulas will be there. We will check in next part. Now second type. Second type is knockout. Knockout come knockout. Knockout come knockout. It is the second type. Any of the type from that 4 one you can take on any number 1, 2, 3, anyone. So here we will take knockout come knockout. So suppose here again 16 teams are there. We will divide it. Pool A, Pool B, Pool C, Pool D. 4 teams we will divide in each pool. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Match will be there. 1 to 2 or 3 and 4. Here is the winner. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 play with 2, 3 play with 4. Again semi-final, then winner. Same here. It is here winner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again same. Here is the winner. So like last one, we did on league basis. Here we are doing on behalf of knockout basis. One winner, second, three or four. Like each pool we got one winner. So total number of winner we have four. Now it was that four pools were there on behalf of this knockout. Knockout come knockout. Now it is the turn of this knockout. Final round. Final round. 4 teams we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the winner of this tournament. Like suppose here 2 lose the match, here 4 lose the match between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 or 1 win the match. Suppose 1 win, here 3 win, in between 3 or 1, 1 got first position, 3 got second position, but for third position matter, here which team lose the match, 2 or 4. So again we will conduct a match in between 2 and 4, which will win, that will declare 2 or 4. Suppose 2 win, so it will declare third one. Handwriting is very bad, so with deep concentration watch the video. So it is the tournament on behalf of knockout, which is under the combination tournament, second type. Okay. Now third type, league come knockout. Again suppose 16 team we will take easy one. Again and again same thing the report is you will do on behalf of knockout, league come league. Here league come knockout. I will tell you 16 teams in 4 pools we divide. Okay, 4 pool, 4 teams we divide. That suppose pool A we divide. 4 teams are there. On league basis we will conduct that one. 1 play with 2, 1 play with 3, 1 play with 4, 2 play with 3, 2 play with 4, 3 play with 4. Okay, like this we will draw a picture of each pool. Pool B same, pool C same, pool D same. So which will be the winner through this method? Suppose pool A, with each pool one winner will come out. Okay, 4 pools we will draw. Particular pool one winner will come out. That so 4 winner we will get. 4 winner teams from each pool. So that 4 teams play the final round. Final round on the basis of knockout. Only this much is the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 play with 2, 3 play with 4. So that is the winner. Same third position which will lose there in first round. They will play again the next round. Winner we will declare. Only it is pool A, pool B, pool C, pool D. We will conduct on behalf of league. One winner we will get from each pool. This all winner will play on behalf of knockout basis. That is the league come knockout. Or same thing will be there in knockout come league. Right? We will change it. Okay. Knockout come league. That was league come knockout. Here what happened? In pool A, pool B, pool C, pool D, we will conduct the tournament on this basis. That is on behalf of knockout. In all pools, video or learn the thing that tournament planning is not very important chapter. Every year a question for draw a fixture on behalf of knockout league or any type given in the chapter, question definitely will come. This thing keep in your mind and properly do this. Learn how to conduct the tournament, how to draw a fixture. Till here further things like knockout tournament, buys, how to divide teams in half, how to divide buys, how to give buys, how to give seeding. These things we will do in next part. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ.